Good morning, all of you, and a great day ahead. Myself, Dr. Kirti Longani. I had done my PhD in marketing management. Before that, I had done my graduation in homeopathic medicine, my MBA in marketing, MBA in HR, MPhil in management. Here we are going to see services marketing. My subject is services marketing. Hope everybody knows about marketing management, and you had covered the 4 P's of marketing. The 4 P's are, the first one is product, right? The next one is place, price, promotion. These are the 4 P's which you had seen in your last sessions, which has been conducted in marketing management and basics of marketing. Now in services marketing, we have 3 extended P's with all these 4 P's ahead, because services are intangible goods which cannot be seen, which cannot be touched, but yes, which can be experienced only. So we have 3 more P's, and that P's are people, process, and physical evidence. Let's see with one of the example so you can understand in a more better way. So let's see the example of hotel, that is hospitality industry. A 5-star hotel or a resort. Let's take an example of a beautiful resort at the beach. And what is the product? The product for this is the services what this resort is providing for the customers. The services in the form of a restaurant, what the food they are providing. The services in form of the room which they are providing, the services in the room, or other facilities which they are providing in their room or in their resort. So this is the product which they are giving, which is only experienced when the customer check in the hotel and experience he cannot feel it, he cannot touch the product before it is being consumed without being experienced. The second P of this particular hotel industry is place. Place, just we had talked about the beach, where the location of the hotel is. On the hill, at the beach, whether it is being well connected with transportation, so the customer can easily assess the resort or the particular hotel. The third P is price. Price, the value of the services which they are going to consume. So the services, whether that is value for the money, so that is the price. Price depend upon the services which they are taking, the room which they are going to avail. It's a deluxe room, it's a super deluxe room, it's a luxury, whatever kind of rooms they are going to avail, whatever the facilities the resort is providing. The next P is promotion. The promotional activities the hotel, the particular resort is going to have, might be a website, they are using an internet, or Facebook, might be advertising by some companies, advertising on banner, newspaper, by pamphlets, whatever means they want to promote their hotel or facilities for the particular target customer. The next important P, now the extended P of this service industry starts, and first of the extended P is people, which is again most important, because providing the services is done by the people, the chain of people which are involved to deliver this service. So the people are the receptionist, the inquiry officer, a bellboy, waiter, manager, or many people which are involved front desk or the back desk of this particular resort. The next P is process. The process which occurs while providing the service, like the food is ordered in the room. The process is, you call at the receptionist, she gave the extension number, you dial that extension number, the person who's on that particular number tells you about the today's menu, you order a food, and the food is delivered to your room by a waiter. And this all process which occurs is the process, might be even the cooking of the food, till the product is delivered, the food is delivered in your room. So the process of check-in, the process of check-out, and all the facilities which are being given or provided by that particular resort comes under the process. So this again is done by the people which are involved in this services. And the last P is physical evidence. Now physical evidence is the ambience of the hotel, very important, because that is one which attracts the customer. So the ambience, the room, the AC of the room, the how the carpet of the floor is, the walls which are been attracting the customers to particularly consume or to buy the particular services. So physical evidence is the ambience, external ambience, internal ambience, the restaurant, the lobby, the facilities, the swimming pool if they are giving, where it is located, what are the other facilities, like whether there is a babysitter is provided, the facilities like gym and many other. So physical evidence which can be seen, can be felt before the product is bought, before the services is bought. So these are the three important P's which are included in services marketing, which we had not seen in the marketing of goods.